Hello guys, welcome you on Intuit and Code. Today I will help you to set up the Sublime for C++. Okay, for if you're trying to code with C++ and wanted to use Sublime, then I can say okay, it's a good video for you. I will help you with how to set up this Sublime. I already have, so I will be giving the reference how you can do this. Okay. So first you have to download this Sublime. I already have this Sublime, but if you don't have, right, so how and all, what and all approach you should do. First you go on Google Chrome. Actually I have little slow internet, so I might not be able to. So to download, let's see, just you have to go and search for Sublime. Okay, as soon as you are getting Sublime, just download that. After downloading, how you have to set up everything, that I will tell you. Right now I have installed that, and right click to run as administrator. It will not ask for you, it is asking for me. Okay, sorry, I didn't know, man. Okay, so it is asking for me. Now I have to proceed next and next. So right now, just one more step, you will be able to install this. As soon as it is installed, may run this setup again under another type. Yeah, I want to exit it. So as soon as it is installed in your system, it's only Sublime you are having. So now you want this thing for the C++. That's why at that time, let me start once again. So I will tell you some more. So, this file will not be there for you. This whole thing will be a single panel. So let me take the new window so that you can. So right now you are having with this interface. As soon as you have installed the Sublime, you will be having this interface. First of all, for the better convenience, like we want an input file, output file, and one our main code file. So just go into view and go into the layout. We want basically for now three column, and we will be making it two column, where one column will be having code, second column we will be separated with two row, where one row will be input, second row will be the output. So right now total we are having three columns. Right now we are having three column, and I want this one and this one as an input and output. So go into view, it's really very important. Maximize max column should be two. What I'm telling, do something where the total number of columns should be only be two. What and all they will do, let's see. Total column is two, and they have separated with the two row. Now this will be the input file and this will be the output file. So now how we will be setting it up. First you need a C++ compiler. If you don't have, you have to install amingw, that is nothing but a C or C++ compiler. Okay, just go on Google and search amingw. I will be telling you the steps for installing this setup. As soon as you will fire this, you have to do install. Go and continue. I already have installed, that's why it is telling you already have installed, but let me do it once again. It will not do because I don't have the internet, I guess. Let's do it. You can skip this if you want the installation part. As soon as this is being installed, in meanwhile I will be telling you the other steps, what and all you have to do. So right now we are having this. At that time, if this mingw is set up, then you just go inside tool. Meanwhile, that in the background that will be installing. Just go on build system, create a new build system for now. This file is opening. I want to open in this interface. So just click somewhere in the blank space and go on tools, create a new build system. Now in this build system, I will be giving you a code that you have to paste. I have, let me check where it is in the document, or where I have, I might be having it somewhere. sharing this code with you. Just a minute. Okay, leave it. I will do from here only. Build system, new build system. I will just refer where it is. This one it is. Okay. So let me open this. Somehow we'll try to open with Notepad. I will share this code with you. Okay. I will share this one inside the comment section. Just you have to copy this. Now you have to come here and just paste all the thing. This will be your input file. Input.in will be your input file and output.out will be your output file. Just you have to take care of these two files. If this is being changed, then you will not be getting the output. Okay. So now you just save it with whatever you want. Right now I want CP, suppose C++, and make it as copy. I'm making it as copy just so that I can refer. That is not my original code. So now it is being referred. As soon as this is set up, just again go inside tool. Now this build system you have created a new, but which build system you want? You just select those things here. As right now I already have this C++. That's why I'm using this one. But you can whenever you will change this, you will be getting that name there. Okay. So just you select that one. As soon as that is set up, now you create input file and output file. What will be the input file? Input file will be the input.in and output file should be the output.out. The folder is not an issue. Just file name should be the correct one. Now let me do it on the desktop. Suppose I am doing it input.in. This would be my input file and this should be the output file, output.out. As soon as this is done, just close this one as well. I don't need this one. New file and whatever you want. Suppose this would be starting my code. You just add your heading and all. Okay, let me use this. That is fine. Now it should be installed. This mingw should be installed. If it is not, it's for me as I am having a slow internet connection. As it is getting installed, what you would have to do, you have to set up this mingw location into your system variable so that your system should be able to judge, yeah, you having a C++ or C compiler. Okay, for that you just navigate inside C drive and just check where you have installed. I have installed this here. Get inside this one, take the bin location, just copy this one, and now come on to this PC and just to go on their properties. If you are using Windows 10, you will get it directly, else you have to go on some more information and click on this one. If you have this, just overpass, click on environment variable. Now you have a system variable. Don't go is in this user variable. You just go inside the system variable, click on path, and now you can put anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, I already having this one, that's why I am not gonna to add this once more. Just you add this, do okay, again do okay, cancel this one. Now this would be set up, but you would have to take care that you are going to set up this build system as the file whatever you have so save. I will be providing you that code inside the comment section, or I will attach it in the description. Just check it, and you have to mark this. You don't have to mark C or C++, you have to mark this one, because this file is going to tell you which and all input and output file I'm going to refer, and where we are going to take the input and what and all compiler I have. Now you just check it. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is not the correct one. Now let's run the code. You will get the output. You will be getting the output. See what and all I have done wrong. Okay. Okay. I haven't included the correct library. So let me do. It will be coming from bit slash standard C++. This is shortcut where I'm going to include all the library, but this is not a correct. This is not a recommendable thing, because this will load all the library of the C++. That is a different topic, but you should not do this one. See, the output should be there if I have a pre-structured correct. Check, wait for the output. I guess there is getting something wrong. No, we have what is not coming in the correct format. Why? Let me see. Build system I already have in the C++. Okay. So one more thing, it might happen. Let me check the code. No, it is fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see. One more time I will check it. Let's save it and see how many things are there. Let me change the name, man, first. This time I'm taking it as setup. Let's see what happened. We will be selecting this one. We are going to save it. We want to replace it. Yeah, I want to replace this one. Cancel this. You are getting this out. See, something is some might have been changing. Leave it. Okay, just I have changed the name so that we can understand it. But that earlier also it was fine. I guess some system issue I might be facing. Okay, so go on tool. You have to set up the build system. I already have a code which I'm referring C++. That's why it is fetching. So as soon as you are going to change the file, you will be getting it. That file name you will be getting. So I have this C++. That's why I'm getting it, and I have set up this one. So it is referring that file only. Suppose now I want to provide some input. You can get it. Seen. So let's see. It will be taking from this input file. Just I'm referring this input file, and this will fetch as soon as this is recorded. It will look into this one and will fetch and will print the data. See what and all, man. File not recognized. File is truncated. Why? Okay, it's not a call here. Why it is asking for this thing? Let's see. I guess I'm recording the call. Might be. See, there is some system issue I'm facing. I guess the same time I'm recording as well as I'm using this Sublime, and some installation is going on, so it might be getting slow. Little RAM issue I might be facing. So okay, so this setup is done. What and all steps you have to do? First, Sublime, install the Sublime. Then you have to install this one. As soon as this is installed, set the system variable path. So variable path you have to set. What and all you have to take, their win location you have to take. As soon as this is done, how to check? You just write gcc in cmd. Let me show you. I have to run the cmd. I will be writing gcc. See what and all. It is telling fatal error, no input file. I haven't provided any input file, that's why it is telling. Else you can provide gcc and the input file wherever you are having. I believe I'm having, it's not here. Let me run it. Wait, where it is? Okay, this might be it's not taking your desktop where it is, by the way, on the desktop only. See. Okay, see, one more thing we can do inside the desktop. I will try to access this one from here. I will be going inside this CMD. Let's see. Okay, so here I have this STL one. It will not. This is not a Linux, that's why it will not work. Inside STL, I'm having simple code, I guess. Now you can run it. You can hit enter and it will be executed. So there is error and all. You can forget it, but this compiler has been set up. This GCC has been set up. We have to check the code and all. Okay, let's leave it. But this will be, if any this type of error you are getting, okay, that GCC we are not getting input and all, means your GCC has been set up. As soon as that is being set up, now it's time to set your uh, this build system. Okay, so how you have to create a new build system, and now set the build system, whatever file name you have provided. Okay, and the code I will be providing in the description. You just check it and you can get it from there. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet into the next video. Bye bye. Tata.